नवरात्रों के समय चेन्नई सजा हुआ होता है भगवानों की छोटी छोटी खूबसूरत मूर्तियों से। राकेश रघुनाथन एक साउथ इंडियन फूड स्पेशलिस्ट, फूड रिसर्चर और टीवी शो होस्ट हैं और ये हमें बताएंगे इन डॉल्स की हिस्ट्री के बारे में।
हाय कुणाल।
हाय, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी ओवर। और ये आपके लिए मैं लेकर आया हूँ।
ओह वाओ,
ये है आम का अचार स्पेशल जो मैंने डाला है
यम।
आपके लिए। आई वुड लव टू नो कि इतनी सारी भगवान की मूर्तियां आपने एक साथ क्यों इकट्ठी करी?
This is the time of Navratri. I mean, you've chosen the perfect time to be here. You see the doll right in the center. That is Mahishasura Mardini, as they call it.
डॉल, मूर्ति को डॉल बोल सकते हैं।
हाँ.
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग।
So these are made with clay or paper mache. The significance is such that,
The Devi slays Mahishasura and restores the balance of the world.
and that is why entire 9-day celebration goes on. What's interesting is there are lots of pulses like your lobia, moong, channa dal. Every day you have to make navadanyam, a sundal, like a tempering, let's say,
Yeah.
is made every day for 9 days.
आपका एक उत्सव इतना कलरफुल है, तो वो उत्सव जो एक थाल में लगता है वो कितना कलरफुल होगा। सो जो तमिलियन ब्राह्मण थाली है उसके अंदर आपका कोई एक पर्सनल फेवरेट डिश है?
The Arachivitta Kalyana Sambar, as they call it.
सांबर।
Sambarla, sambar.
सांबार। आई वुड लव टू लर्न दैट एज वेल।
Sure, I will teach you that.
लेट्स गो।
Let's go.
चलिए।
पहला ये अरचिविट्टा सांबार के लिए मसाला बनना है.
मसाला बनाना है।
Oil first.
जिंजली ऑयल।
Gingerly oil. A little bit of hing. So this is the actual hing before, which is
प्रोसेस्ड।
processed and made into a powder. This is a gum.
Ah.
It's a resin. ये है ना, इसका origins अफगानिस्तान में है.
हाँ,
What amazes me particularly about Indian food is there are so many items that have come into our staple food, but that's not indigenous. It's not even local here.
या
So a small ball of this, you add a little bit of chana dal. Chana dal, as it is getting brown, you add some dhania. To this you add red chilies.
व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट?
So to this you add some coconut. So this has to be made to a paste. I'm going to switch this off and send it in for grinding.
Okay.
And in the meantime, we will make the sambar ke liye all the vegetables. It has to cook in the imli water.
Got it.
So I'm going to add some imli water to this, some salt, thoda sa haldi,
ओके।
thoda sa lal mirch, a little bit of curry pata, because I always like at this stage, if you add the curry leaves, it adds to the flavor.
नाउ सब्जी।
Now you add the subs.
टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सांबर इज जस्ट तूर की दाल, उसमें एक साउथ इंडियन तड़का एंड डन।
And what I've noticed is during my travel to research South Indian food, every 50 to 100 kilometers, the sambar keeps changing its avatar.
या
Okay, now we have to add the tur dal. So dal dalne ke baad,
वी बॉयल इट।
nicely boiling right now. So can you get now the flavor of the imli is gone?
Yeah.
Kacha flavor is gone. Now you add the paste. So when you grind it, it shouldn't be like it shouldn't be
Paste,
too
fine.
fine. It should be coarsely.
ग्रेनी।
The vegetables are nicely done now.
यस। सो दिस इज डन।
This is done. All you need to do is give it a tadka now.
ओह, तड़का
And the tadka is in ghee.
मस्टर्ड सीड्स।
Mustards, thoda sa hing, curry patta, suki lal mirch. Ah, nice. Now, what you also need to do, take a bit of this. That's what gives it that extra kick
यस।
on the side. So, Arachivitta Kalyana Sambar is ready. Arachivitta, like I said, is grinding. Kalyanam is wedding and Sambar.
एंड आई नो ओनली फीस्टिंग।
Absolutely, that's where we are heading to right now.
लेट्स गो।
Awesome.
ये जो टिपिकल तमिलियन ब्राह्मण
हाँ.
थाली है या फिर खाना है, उसके अंदर आपने बताया ना प्याज का, ना लहसुन का,
Right.
ना ही अदरक का इस्तेमाल होता है।
Ginger is fine.
अदरक ठीक है,
अदरक तो ठीक है,
लेकिन लहसुन और
लहसुन और
ठीक है।
प्याज they will not use.
जो तमिलियन ब्राह्मण कल्चर है,
हाँ.
इट्स कल्चरली वेरी ओल्ड and very rich.
Right.
When I say very rich, it's because of the literature.
हाँ.
और जो संगम literature है,
Yes.
which is basically It's the historic literature of Tamil Nadu, जिसके अंदर collection of poems हैं.
Yes.
More than 2,000 poems.
Absolutely.
और उस poems के अंदर one can figure out उस time का lifestyle, the folklore,
Yes.
the food that we had.
In fact, than Sangam literature, the Rig Veda talks about the banana leaf.
So is there a sequence that I follow?
You
मीठा
can
खाया
first,
मैंने.
yes, go ahead, have the akara disi.
अब एक बार मीठा खा लिया, I can begin from anywhere.
Anywhere, whatever fancies you.
तो ये कोशिम्बीर.
So this is very, very unique. People don't really do it nowadays. It is our ancestors' way of putting a salad together. You know, it's pretty much that. So one is a sweet version, the other one with carrots is a savory version. If you notice, there's a lot of coconut that has gone into in the form of grated coconut and things like that.
Yeah.
So what wedding caterers do is there's a lot of tender coconut water that you get while shaving the coconut.
Yeah.
So they soak the moong dal in that tender coconut water. This one.
Awesome.
So this is not boiled, this is not steamed,
Raw.
nothing.
The sambar is amazing. वो जो हींग का flavor आ रहा है.
And this sambar rice, when you have it, sambar sadam, you have it with the aloo.
शायद ये कहना ठीक होगा कि ये possibly हिंदुस्तान की one of the oldest थाली है.
Absolutely.
And the oldest tradition of sitting down
Yes.
and eating together.
True. True. That is rasam
Rasam always on rice.
on the rice.
No wonder जो रसम होती है बहुत ज़्यादा तीखी या strong, बहुत ज़्यादा intense flavor की होती है. Simply because उसको rice के साथ जाना होता है.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So before we end the meal, this is a very customary pan, but not like a meetha pan or anything. It is just plain areca nut which has been spiced a little. This also has a reference to Sangam literature where Kannagi gives Kovalan a pan before he leaves to retrieve or for the anklet story, which is very, very famous.
Thank you so much for all the wealth of information जो आज आपने मुझे दी.
I'm so glad I was part of this.
Thank you.
Think of a meal in the southern part of the country, and you cannot imagine one without a banana leaf. There are shops that sell only these all year round. If you want to experience an authentic meal here, you must have it on a banana leaf.
कितने banana leaves आप बेच लेते हैं एक दिन में?
Here almost they will sell up to 10,000 to 20,000 leaves per day, sir.
मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ कि जो banana leaf है अलग-अलग shapes में काट रहे हैं.
For commercial purpose like hotels, the plates will be in different shapes. To avoid wastages, putting off instead of one sheet, you can cut it as per the design of the plates. It can be cut.
Oh,
So to avoid wastage, we are doing like that. In Tamil Nadu, it's our tradition. Eating in banana leaf, it's our tradition.
Beautiful. All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Right, sir.